Okay, so let's proceed with our modeling tools. So let's create a cube and talk a bit. And probably I will subdivide it a bit, maybe a few times. Okay, so we can talk a little bit about target weld tool. And as you can see, it's a simple tool. Just when you enable this tool, you can select one point and merge another one. Simple like that. Drag. You can see this orange line. When the orange line has this bubble, that means that object to that vertex point to that point, it will be merged. Simple like this. Yep, awesome. So you can merge to target as we doing right now. Just dragging this, let's say, object to this object and merging like that. Or we can merge to center. So selecting these two objects, and as you can see the green dot in the middle, so basically they will be merged in the middle of the area like that. Yeah, great. And yes, you have a preserve UV option, but let's say we don't care right now about that. Or yeah, it has a preserve UV, so if your object has UVs, for example, you can see it won't break it all. It will try to preserve them. Yep. So basically this is a simple tool to, let's say, merge the vertex points. And definitely if you will have a lot of, let's say, vertex points, doing some kind of stuff, in most cases you will use under the vertex, right, shift right click, merge vertex, merge vertices, and just use it like that. And this combination you will use when you will let's say duplicate the object, invert mirroring objects, etc, etc. So just showing that you have options. Definitely if you will select 2 points, you can shift right click, merge vertices, merge to center, and you will get the same thing as you saw merge to center in here. Yes, great. And if for example it can be such scenario that you will have let's say something like that. Here's the history of that object. I'll create something like this, that this face pretty close to the object. Let's combine it, and for example I need to snap it to fill the hole. Let's imagine that down there is a hole. I will just delete the vertex points or the faces. So yes, definitely we can go and try to weld them one by one, or we can just select everything, merge vertices, and that's it. And we have a threshold. Yeah, with that merging threshold, we can play and merge it. You can see all at once. Great. So this is a tool for target flow tool. Let's say vertex point. Okay, this is it.